What if I told you that you should not be hiring a videographer for your videos? Now bear with me, I know personally a lot of amazing videographers out there, and they do create incredible videos that get businesses results. The problem is that they're few and far between, and they do cost a lot of money. You get what you pay for. But it's more to it than just the money. Let me explain. Look, you probably already know that you need to create videos regularly. And maybe you're feeling extra inspired one day and you think of an amazing video idea. If you wait for a videographer, they need to fit you into their schedule. So either by the time that happens, the motivation is gone, or it may be time related to something specific within your business, so the video is no longer relevant. Look, everyone today is a videographer, and phones have allowed us to do this, which I think is amazing. But I want to make sure that you're aware that not all videographers are alike, and you do often get what you pay for. And some videographers who are making videos for businesses have come out of film school, or they were previously a photographer and now get into video, and their focus is how to make a video look amazing and really slick. But they don't understand the business side of using videos in social media to get results. They want you to come out of it going, wow, look at this amazing video they made for me. This is totally worth the money. And you get lots of likes and comments that say, nice video, but that's it. That's all you get. You don't get any actual results or moving your business further ahead. But playing off that, slick videos that often resemble those high-end productions can get mistaken for big brand videos. And in a social media platform, it's those videos that you're creating as a business owner that are still high quality, don't get me wrong, talk more about that later. You're going to be able to reach your audience in a different way. They'll see what you're offering or what you're doing is much more attainable because you're an everyday person just like them, doing what it is you love or helping them or offering them as product or service in a different way than those slicker, big production type videos are. But the really cool thing is no one knows your business like you do. And you can spend the time and the money sitting down and having strategy sessions with a production company so they can get to know your business, what your goals are, and make videos that relate to achieving those goals. But that's going to take you obviously time and a lot of money because there's benefit in it. Don't get me wrong, spending a lot of money on that and with a company that knows what they're doing is great. But unless you have the budget for that type of video planning, then you're actually best placed to tell your business's story yourself because no one knows your business like you do. You know what? You're the driving passion behind why it is you do what you do. And people will relate and see that when you create your videos. Now, obviously there's two things that you need to do in order to create awesome videos yourself. One is understanding how to get high quality videos. And I really recommend using your phone, but it's about knowing how to use your phone. So I've got an awesome guide for you, 10 steps to creating professional videos using just your phone. There's one option for iPhone, one for Android, and you'll find the link in the description below for those. The other thing is understanding the strategy behind using video to market your business. And in just a few weeks, I'm going to be opening up registration for my free webinar to create a video marketing plan for your business in 2020 and beyond. Now make sure you subscribe to this channel so you don't miss the announcement of that webinar. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to download your free guides, and I'll see you next time.